How to know if someone blocked you on TikTok. So if you want to know that if someone has blocked you on TikTok, then first of all, let's open up the TikTok application. And now after opening your TikTok, now here you will have a search icon which is on the upper right corner. You can simply tap on the search icon and then you have to simply search for a person with their username on TikTok. And if you search for that person or search for that ID, and if you don't find that ID in your mobile, but instead of that, if you search for that person on other phone device or in your friends or your family members, and if you find that ID in their account, then that means that person has blocked you. So that's it. That's the way to find out if they have blocked you or not. You can simply go to your friends or your family members' phone, and then you can search for that person or that ID on their phone and in your phone. And if you find that in others' phone, but if you don't find that ID in your phone, then that means they have blocked you. So that's it. That's the only way to find out. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.